Our last story today is from neighbouring South Africa. The legacy of Nelson Mandela, the first president of democratic South Africa, faces a major dent after his grandson was arrested for hijacking. On Wednesday, Johannesburg police traced a hijacked car after receiving a tip-off call. Following the direction, they reached a residence in Hijacking, previously owned by former President and Nobel Peace Prize winner Nelson Mandela. It was the house where he reportedly passed away in 2013 and is a stark reminder of Mandela's struggles and his journey that ended apartheid in the country. But now it seems like the house has turned into a criminal ground. Johannesburg police have recovered an unlicensed firearm, stolen goods and the hijacked vehicle from the residence. Police say the victim of the hijacking was safe and unharmed. He was dropped off at a different location after being held at gunpoint by the hijackers. Police have arrested 5 people linked to hijacking, 4 men and 1 woman. One of them is Mandela's grandchild and the others are believed to be his friends. The suspects are expected to appear in court soon. The South African media reports say that Mandela's grandson, who has been arrested, is 33 years old Mbuso Mandela, and Mbuso is the 8th grandchild out of 17 grandchildren that Nelson Mandela had. And this is not the first time that Mbuso had been on the wrong side of law and order. In fact, he has a criminal history and he has faced arrest multiple times. In 2022, Mbuso Mandela was arrested for possessing an unlicensed firearm. Then in 2015, he was accused of raping a minor, but the charges were later withdrawn. Mbuso has also faced arrest for dealing drugs, and he has also admitted to abusing his girlfriend in the past. The caretaker of Nelson Mandela's Houghton estate says that the grandson always has his friends over for drinks and that Mbuso usually is out of the house and only returns late at night. The caretaker has accused the Mbuso of disrespecting his ancestors and stripping the Mandela family of its dignity. The Houghton residence, once a symbol of Mandela's legacy, now lies in despair, and even its condition is severely deteriorating. Meanwhile, Mbuso Mandela has publicly accused Nelson Mandela Trust of colluding against him and the family, failing to act in their best interests. But while Mbuso Mandela engages in disputes regarding the house, his deeds are not helping and are only tarnishing the revered image associated with his name.